Yo, what's up guys? How you all doing? I want to start a YouTube series for myself before anything else. It's for myself so I can look back at it maybe 10 years, 20 years down the line. I can watch it again, see how I began, see how I started. So basically the YouTube series is just me going to be vlogging. So I've experimented on YouTube. I've made videos of me trading and showing the charts. But now instead of doing that, I plan on just vlogging or recording my life as it is and how I'm going through it, going through the struggles, going through the pains, the sufferings, the successes, the failures, everything and anything. And then just putting it into a video, like a weekly series, where the thing is I'm trading every week. As a trader, that's what I'm doing. I'm learning, I'm experiencing the markets firsthand. And so I just want to record my whole life, whatever is interesting, whatever is going on. I want to have a record of it on YouTube. And then so how I plan on making this series is basically I'm going to be recording myself for myself first and foremost, and then you guys can watch it if you do like that. Because the thing is, for me, I always wanted to watch somebody's actual life, some actual trader, his actual life on what's going on, how he's doing, how he's progressing, how he's failing, how he's learning. I always wanted to do that, but I just didn't have anyone to do that. And so I just want to do that. And at the same time, so how I'll be posting charts, I'll just use screenshots instead to show you guys what chart setups I'm looking for, show myself in the future me can see how I used to chart up my charts, how I used to like mark up my charts, how I used to look at the markets. Because 10 years from now, that will be way different. You're always adapting, you're always changing, you're always adjusting to the market conditions. So I'll just be vlogging my own life, how I'm trading, how I'm going about it, how I'm going through the process. And then it's just going to be a series where I grow as a trader, as a person, as a human being, as a being in this universe basically. And I will for sure have a lot of fun time, a lot of good time recording the series. And if you do like it, I'm sure you will too. And that's about it. Hope you enjoy the rest of the series. It's gonna be a live series, so hope you enjoy it. Yo, alright guys, what's up? It's first day, Monday. I was pretty much out all day, so didn't really trade much. I mean, I did not trade much, meaning I wasn't like sitting on the charts just watching them all day. I was just out about my business. I was every few hours now and then I was looking on my my trading view on my phone, seeing what's up, where the markets are, because I know exactly where I want to buy or sell, or I know exactly where I want to enter the markets. And right now GA has entered. I will put a screenshot on the video. There will be a screenshot of my GA entry. And right now I'm about to write down on my this is my board. So right now we have taken the weekly growth, so we have taken GA, and I had placed a sell limit this morning on that at 1.87, so it was a sell and it was a swing setup. And then so right now it's closed. I've closed about 100 pips already. It's already gone into 100 pips. I've closed that half profit, so 1/2 half profit. And then it has been closed 50%, so I have banked a little over 1.2%, I want to say. So I've banked 1.2% so far. Now the rest of the trade I will let it ride for the swing setup, see what we can get out of that. And that's about it for today. Nothing else, no other setups hit. GA perfect, you can see it on the screen right now. I have the screenshot, and it's just a good setup. Alright, good morning guys. It's Tuesday morning now, and yeah, yesterday GA went at a peak, it went into 150 pips profit. I took half profit at 100 pips, and so yeah, we're like 1% up for the week so far. And right now I'm having my morning tea. I'm gonna look at some charts, see what's up, see what's ahead, see if there's any setup we could take today. That's about it. Today is a pretty relaxing day. I got some food panda, some Deliveroo at night. That's basically, if you don't know, it's delivering food to people's houses. got that at night. But besides that, probably gonna just work on some stuff today and just relax, have a good day, and just live life. Alright, again, as you can see on the screenshot, this is all I'm looking at today on GBP AUD. Is a real quick one. I don't see any other setups on any other pairs, but GBP AUD, I am seeing 1.86 being a key level, and I am going to be waiting for London session to see where price is, how it's reacting, and if it's around 1.86 and it's rejecting that level, then I will be trying to look for a scale and sell on my yesterday's entry. So I will be entering a second position as a scale in on GA, and that's about it. That's all I'm looking for today, nothing else. I don't see anything else on any other pair unless there's some volatile movements and I see price come to my area on GJ and gold. Besides that, nothing really, and that's about it. Alright, I thought I'd just update you guys on what's going on. Like, this is behind the scenes. So curtains are down. It's like 3 should be, oh no, not even 3, it's 1:50. London session is going to open in about 2 hours, and this is what I'm doing, playing some RuneScape. I used to play this really long time ago. And then we got earphones, and I'm listening to a podcast, trader podcast, and that's me. This is behind the scenes. And right, and that's about it pretty much. I just want to show you that. And so far yesterday is 1.2%, and the weekly goal is basically 2 to 5%, so we're not off. We don't need much. Yo, I was just playing games, and right now price on GA and GJ is also looking like a sell. GA is also a sell, and GA was at my sell price. Gold, nothing at the moment, still playing games, and I was watching a movie. I was just playing games, watching a movie, and somewhat missed my GA setup. Let me show you. Alright, GA. So I have an entry up here, but I'm not in this. I had the whole setup there, but I'm not in this. So right now I'm waiting. I don't want to rush into it. I'm gonna let it pull back as close to my entry again, and then I'll look for a sell setup. Still looking for the setup, but that's how it is. That's just how it is, man. That's just how it is. Anyways, that's the update, and I'm just gonna keep watching a movie, playing games, and then I have Food Panda delivery in a bit, and that's about it. Just relax. That's the thing with trading. It's like, it's boring. You're just waiting for your setups. If you don't have any setup, there is nothing. So you just wait. You just sit there and wait. And I literally have not played game for the past 2 years, and now I am, because I have no job, and I'm at home, and I can't be on the charts, because when you're on the charts all the time, you just want to trade more. But there are no trades. You just trade your setup, and for that you just wait. Like 80% of the time you're just sitting on your hands just waiting. So might as well play some. This is a childhood game, by the way, so RuneScape's a pretty childhood game. That's why I'm just playing this, because this is the only game I know how to play. But yeah, I'll get into this trade. I'll see how I can enter this trade, but right now I'm just waiting some more. Can't get into the trade just yet. I'll wait for the 1 hour close. Alright, see you guys. That's my bike, yo. That's where I be doing Food Panda food deliveries. Deliveries. That's the bike. That's my brother's bike, by the way, not mine. But anyways, real quick. Pretty free today, nothing much. GA pushed up, then take the trade off 1.87. 1.875 was a good entry, so I took the trade a little late. I was outside, so I took the trade on my phone, and that's about it. I didn't risk too much. I didn't go full lot on it. I pretty much went quarter risk because I'm outside, and it's just, yeah, it's a good entry. It's a good price pushed up. London players are starting to come in. They should want to push it down. The price is relatively high for the day. It's at the high of the day, and it should be pushing down, and risk is minimal. It's okay. I've just gone in, and later I'll look for a scale in if there's another better re-entry to like maximize my position size. But that's about it. You should probably be seeing a screenshot right now of my entry and stuff. Not the best entry, but it's alright. Hey, good morning, yo. We got coffee, we got charts, and yeah, GBP is just so bullish. GBP is really bullish at the moment, and yeah, yesterday I had sell on GA, which we did eat a stop loss, but that's why I saw the bullish momentum. I wanted to take that sell just in case. Wasn't really a high probability setup, wasn't really a high conviction setup. That's why I was still waiting for more confirmations to add in more size. So the loss is alright, it's okay. Now just enjoying coffee, looking at the markets, seeing what's next. Probably don't want to trade, but if I do trade, I would want to look for buys on GA or GJ. Just buying. It's pretty bullish, even though the price is pushed up pretty high up, but it's still pretty bullish. And also gold, I'd still have a buy limit at 1.1475, and I've had it since Monday, since market open. I've still been waiting patiently. I'll probably have you probably saw it earlier in this video too, so that's about it. It's a fine morning, nice, chill, relax. I'm gonna read book, I'm gonna read Blink in a bit, so that's what I do. Gonna read that, mark up the charts a little bit, have some coffee, and then read the book, meditate, and yeah, just go about my day. Alright, quick little update. I'm extremely interested in GJ buys. GA, I have nothing really. I don't see any good setup, but GJ buys, I am seeing something that I really like. I'll have a screenshot on the video right now, but this is what I really like, so I'm going to wait for this. I wanted to, when I first woke up, my initial thought was, let me just sell the retracements, but I don't want to sell the retracement. I want to catch the main move. It's all so bullish. It's so bullish. We have a 61 fib, we have a key level, we have a trend line, uptrend, we have higher momentum, bullish momentum. Everything's lining up, so that's what I'm gonna wait for. And that's about it. Now I'm about to go about my day, wait for this setup to set up, and yeah, let's make some fucking money. I'm currently watching GJ. I have no other setups. This pullback, this is what I was talking about. I did want to sell it from up here, but I decided not to. Instead, I want to get in on the main move. But now looking at this, I do have a buy limit down here, but look at that. Buy a pip. I'm not in this trade. The buy limit did not trigger. It did not trigger. This should be a risk-free trade already. So right now, what I have to do is manage the buy limit, because now I gotta see if price is still, if that buy limit is still valid to be put there. If not, then I gotta make my next choice. Alright, I took this entry on gold, and I don't know why I really did it, to be honest. It was not planned. It was not, there was nothing that like I'm not supposed to be in this sell. I'm just not. I don't know why I did it, but I did it. And yeah, because I still do see the downside. It was relatively impulsive of me to take this trade. I do see the sell, and I actually wanted to take this sell just in case, because I do see bearish momentum on gold. So I did take the sell for the sole reason to hedge for the buy, because I do want to buy it when the price gets down there. But this sell is basically me trying to hedge a further downside just in case, so that the buys are still okay, like I can make back from this sell. But this sell was not planned at all, and so it was not, whatever, regardless of the outcome, not a good trade. This is a little sad. My buy limit here missed, and then I had another chance to buy here, but it just shot up on the 1 hour as well, missed. So both my entries missed. Third entry was up here on the break of this, missed. Gone, done, out, finish, nothing. That's about it. That's the day of life, baby. That's the day of life. None of my setups really worked out for me today. GA as well, just pretty obvious. Again, key level. It's just bullish, just so bullish. But I am on this right now. I am on gold. This is the gold trade. This is why I took the sell. Zoom in, focus. Alright, on gold. What a beautiful day. What a beautiful day. Damn. Alright, yo. It's a Thursday. It's a beautiful day out. I'm gonna go get some breakfast. But yesterday was pretty eventful. The gold sell that I was not planned for, that was not supposed to be taken. Well, it went 30 pips in profit, moved it to break even, and then I let go. So I was like, it's whatever now, it's whatever. But then I look at it, price went against me, and I look at my MT4 and there's some loss on it. So yeah, today I'm gonna contact the broker, be like, dude, where my money at? Why are you taking my money like that? For nothing. Besides that, GJ, amazing setup, beautiful to the T. 137.5 was buy limit and 140 was target. To the T, smashed to the T. But now I'm looking for a sell. Looking for sell setups at 140. But that was a beautiful setup, man. It was just a beautiful setup. The buy limit never got triggered, by the way, so that's 350 pips. That was 350 pips yesterday alone. That was my week done. That was me done for the week. That would have yielded quite a good amount, but it's okay. Buy limit never triggered. It was 1 pip off. So what can you do about it? Now I'm just looking for the next best setup. 140 is my sell setup, so I'm looking for sells at 140. That's what I'm looking for now. I'm looking for sells on GBP now, no longer looking for buys. I think it's time for a pullback. Yeah. Alright, also today I'm going for a job interview, so wish me luck, guys. Wish me luck. I have no idea what's gonna happen. But yeah, I need this job, man. Like, I can only keep trading as long as I can keep paying the bills and the rent. Like, as long as I can pay the rent and the bills, that's enough for me. Because one day things will change, financial situations will change. But for right now, I need to pay the bills. I need a job to pay the damn bills. But let's see what happens today. I got a job interview. I've been looking for a long ass time too, man. Damn. But yeah, have a good day, guys. Alright, sent in my email to whatever this person is. Sent the email. Have a beautiful day ahead. Take care. Alright, I've placed a buy stop on GA. Now I'm just gonna go about my day. About to go to my job interview. Yeah, it's a buy stop about 1.89. That's where, if it pushes up, then I'm in for the buy. If not, then it's gonna sell, which is okay because that's what I'm looking for anyways too. If it does go down, then I'll wait for a retracement and then sell it. But right now I still see bullish pressure. There's a higher high created, a higher low. We're at 61 fib right now. We're playing around the 1.89 key level. Somewhat kind of breaking below the trend line, but this could be a false break and it's very weak momentum, so I am just placing a buy stop right above the trend line. So if it goes back in, then we will be triggered in. If not, then nothing to do really. Alright, yo, done with the interviews. Did two job interviews, one for a security guard, one for a sales representative at a Pure Fitness at a gym. I don't know, man, I just need a job, bro. I just hope I get a job, mate. Damn. But yeah, besides that, I just checked GA on my phone. It died. It just melted. And I saw that coming. That's why I had that buy stop. Now I've taken the buy stop away. It's no longer relevant, no longer valid. And yeah, that's why you don't execute right then and there. That's why you have that buy stop, so that if it does push up, you will get that buy. If not, you don't care. And yeah, now I'm gonna go back home. That's about it for the day, I think. GA, I still do have that setup. Now I'm waiting for a retracement and then I'll sell it. If not, then nothing to do really. But that's about it. Holy fucking shit. Price broke out of this. It was retesting and I was like, I want to buy this. But I didn't. Holy fucking shit, man. Wow. Wow. Oh my god, look at those sellers up there. Fucking hell, mate. I sold this shit. I sold it. Lower the volume of the music. GA 1 hour. I sold it. Rejection. I sold it. I sold it. I sold it. Oh shit, game is up. That's it. Interview. Come back home. London session. Alright, 1.2%. Negative 0.5%. This I need to talk to the broker. Currently talking. I should not be losing anything on this. And now I'm on GA. If this trade goes by as planned, I am done for the week after this. I am done for the week. Fucking hell, mate. Look at that. So it dropped. I moved it break even. I started playing games. Spikes up, hits my break even, goes 100 pips. What do you do? Banana real quick. That's a good banana. Anyways, it's a Friday, last day of the week. We've missed 500 pips so far, and we have not yet accomplished our 2% target of the week. It's a minimum. It's my target, my goal, my trading. I aim for 2% per week with the 1% risk per trade. But anyways, now I'm going to my dad's place, my dad's office, and I'm gonna meet some people today. But GBP, and you can see the charts right now on the screen in the video, but I'm looking for sells now on GBP, JPY and GBP AUD. Possibly could take an intraday long on GA before the sell-off, but I have already placed my sell limits on GBP AUD and JPY, and now I'm just gonna go about my day and see how it plays out. I'm seeing a huge swing sell possibility coming in, especially with GJ. I'm seeing at least 700 pips possibly, but let's see what happens. Alright, yo, it's finally, the week is over. It's a Friday, so time to upload this video, this weekly video. And yeah, so GA, I had the sell limits yesterday, but they never triggered throughout the day. Markets were pretty slow yesterday, and so what I did was I just closed it out at around 11 p.m, which is before I was going to bed, and because I knew all this Brexit stuff is happening over the weekend, so I just closed it out. I'll wait for Monday, and Monday should have some good setups, I suppose. We could still be pretty bullish, to be honest. We could still be really bullish on pound. It's not breaking any lows, but that's about it. Let me just show you what's up with the week. This is how we ended the week. So overall, we've ended the week positive. We're blue, but we did not meet our target. We did not meet our 2% target weekly goal. So this one was a good trade early on. This one, can't really do anything about it. This trade shouldn't have really taken it, so this could have been avoided. This BE, volatile market, low liquidity, so I had to take this loss. I talked to the broker, and this loss I just have to take, even though I was break even. But this is how trading works. So this loss, nothing can do about it. This BE, just purely sad because it went into like 250 pips profit. And that's about it. So I also had a GJ buy limit which never got triggered. That was also 250 pips. So overall it was a pretty good week, to be honest. Lots to learn. I've got this journal. I journal every day, so even though I don't really show you me journaling, this is what I do every day. Every decision, every lesson is journaled. It's all written down, it's all journaled. And then you have the trading rules. I have trading rules, my trading rules. So everything is written down, like how I determine my stop loss, how I determine my take profit, when can I trade, what entry confluences I need, and my basic trading plan. So it's everything that I need. And then throughout my room, if you guys want, I can show you guys on like the next video. Comment down below if you want to see this stuff, like you want to see all this stuff. This is basically my trading floor, my trading desk. That's baby me. That's a trader right there, killing it. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Next week we will smash it. We will get our 2%.
All I do is